What's up guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can claim your NodePay Airdrop allocation directly into your Solana wallet. Either you want to use Phantom wallet, OKS wallet or any other wallet of your choice, the process is still the same and you can just follow the basic principle I will be showing you right in this video. I'm very sure you have connected your wallet already, so no doubt about that. And right now what you have to do is that either you go to the search bar here or you simply open another tab here on your Mrs. browser. Then what you want to do is that you check the comment section of this video or the description of this video, then copy the link claim.nodefoundation.ai and then you click on search. So you have to wait for this page to load up like this, and if you are getting any error message, just make sure that you keep on loading. And as you can see, claiming will end in next 44 days and 22 hours. So it means that there is no need to rush if you are not selling at the launching time. So take your time. And another thing you have to have in place is that you will need a gas fee of like 0.02. So if you are getting any error message, just make sure to refresh this page and make sure that your page is displayed like this. Then click on connect wallet, and since you already installed the wallet extension before, if you use your mobile phone to connect your wallet to this NodePay, and if not, you just have to download any wallet extension of your choice. Make sure that the same wallet that you connected to your NodePay wallet connection is what you have here. And what you got to do is to click on connect wallet. This will detect the wallet on your browsers or on your phone. Then you click on connect. Since I'm going to be using Phantom, so I just have to wait for this to load up. And as you can see, if you are getting any error message like this, don't worry. All you have to do is to just reload the page till everything looks fine. So after some minutes, the page will load and everything will look just like this. You will notice that this is not on a full page, and right now what you have to do is that you click on this third line here, and what you want to do is that you make sure that you toggle this desktop site on. Once you change to the desktop site, then everything should look fine like this, and you just have to zoom it in to fit in your phone. And then you come down here, you click on you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then before you click on this claim your tokens, make sure that you have at least 0.02 Solana in your wallet. So after when you make sure that that is ready, you just have to click on claim your tokens. Then you click on claim. You might need to wait for some moments so that everything loads up, and after that input your Solana password. So if you receive this, don't panic. All you have to do is to just click on proceed anyway, because we know what we are doing here. And you can see this is just the gas fee that will be needed. And yeah, you just have to click on confirm. Yeah, I will click I understand, then I will click on yes, confirm. So I'm very sure about this. I want to do this, so I have nothing to worry about anyways. So as you can see, my allocation has been successfully claimed, and what I have to do right now is, if you want to stake, you can go to NodePay staking butter, but I don't have any intention of staking. So what I have to do right now is to just go and check my Phantom wallet to see if the transaction has been completed. After checking for some minutes, I have to leave this and then come back to my Phantom wallet to check. And as you can see right here, my Notecoin has arrived and I received my Notecoin. And definitely in my next video, I will be showing you how you can send it out from your Phantom wallet and send it to your either Bybit or Bitgate exchange, so that you can easily sell it to USDT, or you can just start trading with it. If you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more people to see, and of course subscribe to this channel or follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.